Hello, dear all. Welcome back to our channel. Based on some valuable feedbacks, we found that Canton Fair registration steps are quite complex and time-consuming. So today, congrats, you're finding a step-by-step guide for Canton Fair registration. Firstly, let's start with inputting the official LinkedIn Brower page. Then come our Enter page. If you're a freshman, please go with the Register button. Next, we can see there's a range of options to select. We click the Overseas Buyer to choose it. Great. Now we just need to enroll our email and set a password to this page. Then, confirm your password and please try to remember it. Click the next step. Choose wisely if you don't have a buyer badge. And there are more detailed stuff to be filled in the next page. Remember to hit the Confirm button after you select your sourcing intent. Once you've verified that all the information is correct, click Register. And we are done for the registration. Your Canton Fair account is good to go. Next time you want to get into this website, a simple click on the Login button will do. Select your identity, enter your registered email address, the password you just created, then complete the verification process. You can manage your info in the Personal Center block. News about the fair could also be updated in the Fair in the News page. Congrats! Your Canton account right now is good to go. That's all for today's video. We hope it'll help you getting ready to conquer the fair. And we wish you happy deal making.